A walk-in closet is a room in the home, typically off the bedroom, that is used for storing clothing and other personal items. They are often outfitted with shelves, hangers, and drawers to provide storage space for clothing and other items. Walk-in closets are a great way to increase storage space in the home. When planning for a walk-in closet, be sure to consider the size of the space and the type of storage you need. You may also want to add features like mirrors, seating, and lighting to create a stylish and functional space. How much does a typical walk-in closet cost? The cost of a typical walk-in closet will vary depending on the size and features of the closet. A small walk-in closet might cost as little as $500, while a large walk-in closet with custom cabinets and shelving could cost upwards of $5,000. The best way to get an accurate estimate of the cost of a walk-in closet is to consult with a local contractor or designer. They will be able to assess the specific needs of your project and provide you with a detailed estimate. In general, you can expect to pay somewhere in the range of $500 to $5,000 for a typical walk-in closet. What is the difference between a closet and a walk-in closet? There are a few key differences between walk-in closets and regular closets. First, walk-in closets are generally much larger. They always have enough space for a person to walk around freely in them. This extra space means that you can store more clothing and other items in a walk-in closet. You may also have room for additional storage features, such as shelves and dressers. Second, walk-in closets typically have better lighting than regular closets. Better lighting makes it easier to see all of your clothes and makes it less likely that you will misplace something. Finally, walk-in closets often have more sophisticated features, such as built-in shelving and organizational systems. These features can make it easier to keep your closet neat and tidy. Overall, walk-in closets offer many benefits over regular closets. What to expect in a walk-in closet? Full-sized mirror. It allows you to see your outfit from head to toe before you leave the house. This way, you can make sure that your outfit is coordinated and that everything looks the way it should. Additionally, a full-sized mirror can help to make your closet feel more spacious. When you can see your reflection, it creates the illusion of more space. Whether you're getting ready for work or going out for a night on the town, having a full-sized mirror in your walk-in closet is an asset that is sure to come in handy. Shelving. A walk-in closet is a great way to maximize storage space in your home. By utilizing shelves, you can organize your belongings in a way that is both visually appealing and functional. When planning your shelving, consider the items that you will be storing. For example, if you plan to store shoes, you will need to leave enough space for them on the shelves. With a little bit of planning, you can create a shelving system that is both stylish and practical. Lighting. Most people don't have the space to have a closet for them to walk through. So they may not care about having the correct lighting or even anything to brighten the area up. With a walk-in closet, it's important to not just consider having lighting, but proper white lights. Yellow lights will dull out the color and make matching your attire a more tedious process because the color tone wasn't what you intended. Wood colors. If you're considering a walk-in closet, one of the things you'll need to decide is what color scheme you want for the cabinets. One option is to pick a color that complements the rest of the room. If your bedroom has neutral walls and dark wood furniture, you might want to choose a light-colored cabinet to brighten things up. Another thing to keep in mind is how the color of the cabinets will affect the overall feel of the space. If you want your closet to feel calm and serene, you might want to stick with muted colors like white or cream. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide what look and feel you're going for in your walk-in closet, and then choose a cabinet color that matches that vision. Baskets. If you're looking for a way to organize your walk-in closet, baskets are a great option. You can use them to store everything from clothes to shoes to accessories. Baskets come in a variety of sizes, so you can find ones that fit perfectly on shelves or in cubbies. And they're easy to grab and take with you when you're heading out the door. Hangers versus folding clothes. When selecting which garments to hang and which to fold, determine it based on how many hangers you can fit in your walk-in closet. If there is not enough room to hang everything, then some clothes need to be folded. Typically, pants and t-shirts will be folded and stacked while garments that will crease easily will be hung. Should you get a walk-in closet? A walk-in closet is a great way to get organized and maximize storage space in your bedroom. If you're considering adding a walk-in closet to your bedroom, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you have enough space. A walk-in closet should be at least 4 feet wide and 6 feet deep. Second, consider how you will use the space. If you plan on storing only clothing, you may not need as much storage as someone who plans on using their walk-in closet for laundry or other purposes. Finally, think about the type of doors and hardware you want for your walk-in closet. Sliding doors can save space, but they may not be as durable as hinged doors. With careful planning, you can create a functional and stylish space that will meet your needs for years to come.